God created humanity in diverse ways, and each with the knowledge to adapt and thrive in the world where they are placed. As the saying goes, seeing is believing. What amazed me the most during my visit to Makoko, the largest slum in West Africa, was how its residents seemed to embrace life on the water. It felt like stepping into a new world, and just as I was beginning to feel sympathy for the people there, I found myself yearning to share in their seemingly ordinary and joyful existence. My boat's driver shared an eye-opening perspective with me, saying, "Many of us here prefer to live on water than on land." But this statement left me in disbelief. I witnessed children who appeared healthy, some swimming in the black muddy water, while others played on the boat. Despite this, I still believe that these children could benefit from a life on land with improved infrastructures to nurture their growth and prepare them for a brighter future.